Polycentrism is an international balance of power situation characterized by a number of power centers. Polycentrism, or a flexible balance, is reminiscent of the 19th century in that it is composed of a number of active participants. It has replaced the post-World War II bipolar balance controlled by the Soviet Union and the United States. The return to polycentrism has meant the breakdown of US and Soviet domination of international politics within a bipolar system of rival alliances. Causal factors have included 1. The nuclear balance of terror between the United States and the Soviet Union, which has reduced the credibility of their promises to defend their allies. 2. Economic prosperity in Eastern and Western Europe with a consequent lessening of economic dependence on the Soviet Union and the United States. 3. The resurgence of nationalism in old and new countries alike. And 4. The emergence of a large number of new states, whose leaders see their national interests in economic, social, and political modernization rather than in terms of Cold War rivalry. Polycentrism means that an increasing number of states are able to make independent decisions that affect the level of tension in the world.